door.
Stop!
Put your hand behind your back!
A Walmart theft investigation in Florida turned into a prolonged arrest struggle involving repeated commands, reported Taser drive stun contacts, medical complaints, and an emergency medical evaluation. The exact date, agency, merchandise value, charges, and court outcome are not confirmed. The central issue is narrower, whether each use of force matched the threat and resistance visible at that moment.
She tried to push out. We're getting the trigger receipt right now.
Okay.
There's a big W.
You have your ID on you?
I don't have my ID. I do not have my ID.
What's your first name?
Kallie.
Kallie?
Yes. CIN.
What's your date of birth?
13192.
Hey, I got a name, date of birth for you. It is, first name's Callie, last name, I'll just spell it for you. Charlie, India, Foxtrot, 1/31/1992. White female. Do you know how much the total is?
Not yet.
Alright.
How much more is there?
Y'all watch these the whole time? Y'all watch these all the time?
Watch one.
These.
Sometimes.
So that one lady has not scanned one thing, has put a bunch in her bag. The one in the red right there.
Oh yeah, she's doing smart.
Oh, okay. Okay. I wouldn't be able to tell between.
Because like, in reality, they could just grab whatever they want and load up.
Does he know if it's over 750?
Is it over 750? 1300.
Okay. Go ahead and stand up. You're going with me. They want charges pressed and it's over 750, which makes it a felony.
Yeah, 2 tickets.
Go ahead and stand up. Come on. I'm sorry. Well, you're going to have to.
No, I can't.
Do not fight me.
I can't. I'm sorry. No, I can't.
I will tase you if you do not stop. Turn around!
No, please, no. I can't.
Woman.
I'm sorry, I can't breathe. No.
Turn around.
I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
Would you like to be tased? Get up and turn around.
I can't.
Then turn around.
I can't.
Turn around. Stop!
Please stop! I have seizures. I can't.
Stop!
I can't.
It's like you're doing this to
I
yourself.
can't. I can't.
Why are you crying?
Because you don't know what I'm going on. I can't.
Would you like to talk to me and settle down?
I can't.
You can't settle down?
I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. I can't.
Calm down.
I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail.
You realize this is not beyond. This is beyond me now.
I can't go to jail.
5397.
I can't.
5397.
I need another unit. 77. Other female fighting.
The turning point comes when the officer announces the arrest and the encounter becomes physical. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged by objective reasonableness, including the suspected offense, any immediate threat, and active resistance. Continued fighting or a concealed hand can support stronger control. Missing video details, taser data, and hand movements prevent a firm conclusion. The next issue is whether the arrest had legal basis.
Florida Statute 812.014 defines theft through knowing control of another person's property with intent to deprive or appropriate it. The officer says the value exceeded $750. But the subtitles garble the total and do not show what store evidence she reviewed. Probable cause may rest on surveillance, recovered items, and employee statements. Yet this record cannot confirm those facts or the law then in force.
I can't.
5448.
You're not moving.
You want me to stand up?
No, I want you to sit down.
5448. You can show me 1097.
I will take you. Sit down.
Ow!
5448, 5397. Where you at?
Stop. I'm in Walmart.
No, I can't. I cannot. I can't go.
5448. What was it? They were in the
I've tased her twice.
Stay your fucking ass down, you nigga!
My
Give me your cups!
They're over there.
No.
I don't want to leave this door.
Stop!
Settle down.
No.
Stop!
No.
Where are your cuffs?
No.
Come on.
No. No.
5448.
5448.
I will tase you if you don't put your hand behind your back.
I should have 10 I'll walk on you.
Put your hand behind your back.
Look, you're gonna get tased again. Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back. I will tase you again.
1033 representation.
She acts like she has seizures. She hasn't once had a seizure this whole time.
5448.
5448. One to change. 1071. One to change. 1071.
I don't know what's in her purse.
1071. Reference Whiskey Foxtrot.
Tased her 3. Drive under 3 times.
Drive stun 3 times.
Do y'all want me to run that video for you of all that?
3 copies, please.
Office number 33, thank you. 589 Denver.
She's fine. She's breathing.
Wiry little thing.
I was fighting her a good bit before you came in. Couldn't get my radio to go out.
Yeah. I was right there at the red light.
She had those. She threw them.
Stop.
It's crazy how she has this.
Fidget for I got it, buddy. Thank you.
Here's my other.
Ooh, I'm gonna need a drink after this one.
I was trying to avoid the computers.
I will say that's never happened, so.
Oh, she was fine until I told her she was going with me because it's 1300.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Y'all do want to press charges, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what the. That's
Just
why I
clarifying.
read that too.
Where am I?
You're not getting up.
You're not going nowhere.
Do not do it again.
What?
Well, it's all done and over with.
It's all on
You're in
camera.
cuffs.
What is?
We got EMS coming to check you out, then you're going to jail.
And I will sit on you at the hospital, so you ain't going home tonight.
Just rest your head right there on my boot. I'm going to let you know. Don't do nothing stupid. Just relax.
The audio suggests resistance after the arrest command. Florida Statute 843.01 covers knowingly resisting a legally authorized officer by offering or doing violence. Florida Statute 843.02 covers resistance without violence. Pulling away, bracing, or refusing to present hands can matter, but those acts differ from striking or trying to bite. Video and charging records are needed before assigning either offense. Repeated taser use requires separate analysis, not one blanket justification. Force may be reasonable during active fighting, but unreasonable after control is gained or resistance drops. The subtitles conflict on whether there were 2 successful drive stuns and a 3rd activation, or 3 contacts. Device logs, duration, placement, and video are essential. Calling emergency medical services was a safeguard, but timing and adequacy remain unverified.
Walmart. Don't move. Keep your head on my boot. Keep your head on my boot.
I'm just saying.
You made me get my pants all dirty, man.
And mine too.
I'm sorry.
She's gotta learn it one day.
No, I feel so bad for her. She's a door host, and I was like, hey, I need you in the office. Like, it won't be bad.
No, it wasn't bad at first until I told her that she was going to jail.
Yeah, that'll do it.
I was fighting for a good bit before you.
Well, we kept hearing somebody key up. We thought it was
me.
5585.
No, it was me. It wasn't going out, and I was like, oh my god. I almost told them to call.
But for a second there, when I knocked on the door, I could hear you.
I didn't know who it was, so I didn't want to open doors. She was trying to get out.
Yeah, well, I could hear you, and then I was like, crap, hope she's not there by herself. So that's why I started hitting on the door. My bad.
No, you're good, man.
Oh, I opened the door for you. Once you started banging like you did, I opened the door.
Yeah, because it was either the door, either somebody was going to open the door, or I was coming through it. And those are not easy doors to come through, but anything's possible.
You kicked that door open, you would fuck me up.
You probably opened me up too. I was
it
behind
would not have been the first heavy door I've ever busted down either.
I just didn't want her to get out the door.
Yeah, which
That's what I was thinking. Like, I wanted to let her go because you were here, but
No,
wanted to...
she's fine. I was avoiding this area because I didn't want more damage.
all right. What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
You.
What's your name? Yeah, I'll. Once EMS gets here and we confirm you'll calm down, I'll fix your cuffs for you, okay? But it's going to be extremely uncomfortable until then because your hands were all cattywampus when I put them on.
I don't know what my taser did, but it started going off like I shot it, and
Let's see.
I didn't shoot it. I just drive stunned her, unless she hit it like my last one.
You're a wiry little thing.
No, she was climbing up the damn wall with you.
My baby daddy beats Please, I just can't help but react.
But that's not how we act.
I know, but I'm sorry.
That's how you get more charges.
I understand. It's just an automatic reaction for me for some reason at this point.
Well,
Even I sat you down and told you if we need to talk to calm down, we can.
I'm sorry.
And you kept on.
I just can't. For some reason, I just react that way because of how I get beaten, and I'm sorry.
I did give her an out in between it. Because I had her sitting and I told her to calm. I can tell you fighting like that gives you another charge. You need to think about the things you do before you do them.
I just can't help but react that way for some reason. It doesn't even matter if it's physical automatically. It's just the mental,
I'm sorry you had that kind of issues in your life.
The talking, it changed how I react to things.
But when you do illegal things, there's a good chance we're going to get involved, which means you got to understand that there's a good chance you're going to jail.
There's so many resources you can go to that can give you food and stuff like that for your family. I don't know what was in your buggy, but for $1,300 worth of stuff is a lot. Okay, there are organizations that can help you with that. And this isn't your first time, because they have multiple times of Putnam and Gainesville of pictures of you doing the same thing.
Like I said, my pet seizures and
Seizures don't make you steal. She has a cut here. I think that's from hitting her head. You want... Here, I'll let you in.
Hey.
She says she has had a seizure. But the whole time we were fighting, she didn't have a seizure until she was put in cuffs. Oh, I'll sit with her at the hospital. I've already told her that. She climbed up the wall.
She was drive stunned, not tased, because obviously she's got the taser. What, 3 times?
Yes.
3 times before twice before my arrival.
It was 2 connections. The third time, the middle time it was doing weird.
Paramedics, we're going to put a little thing on your finger. I know you're in kind of an uncomfortable position.
That's her
And then we're
name.
going to put stick.
Yep, all's good.
Okay.
All your
No one
members
made
are
me
good.
anything, so I was
She decided to fight.
Oh.
So.
Just want to make sure.
I was fighting for a good minute before my other person came in. But nothing's damaged. Well, we're pressing charges now, so. We normally don't have problems here. Now, if it was under 750, I would have said I was just going to send charges up and she could go. But with it being a felony charge, she was gone.
The officers made several defensible choices. Backup was requested. Commands were repeated. A verbal reset was attempted. And medical personnel were called. Profanity and dismissive comments about seizures weakened professionalism and trust. The detained woman's fear and abuse disclosure provide context, not legal immunity. Continued physical resistance can support added force or charges, while verbal disagreement alone does not establish guilt. 3 practical lessons follow. Disputed facts such as value and charges should be verified through records, not subtitle guesses. During an arrest, rights are better preserved through clear statements and legal challenge than physical resistance. Officers should reassess force whenever resistance changes and treat medical complaints seriously. This record shows an arrest and medical evaluation, but does not establish guilt or prove every taser use lawful.